In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Venmo to bank account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can link any bank account that you have to Venmo. By doing this, you will be able to initiate transfers, you can add money into Venmo or withdraw the balance that you have, and all of this can be done by going over to your profile page. So tap on Me at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then head over into the settings at the top right. When you access these settings, you will find plenty of categories, including the payment methods. So under these settings, look for payment methods. Once you access this page, you will be able to see all of the accounts that you have linked to Venmo. So you might see cards, bank accounts, and everything else. If you have never linked a payment method, then all that you have to do is tap the Add a Bank or Card. Once you tap this option, Add a Bank or Card, you will be able to select bank and finally choose your institution. So if you have ever used something like Cash App, Venmo is going to use the same service that they do, Played. In here, you choose a specific institution that you use, and you will be redirected to another page where you can sign in using your credentials from that institution. By doing this, that exact bank account will be linked, and you will be able to manage it within Venmo. So you will see all of this information, what you want to share. Make sure that you tick all of the options that apply. And as long as you give it permission to share your account, it is going to be linked on Venmo. Then, like I said before, you can use the transfer options or the pay/request buttons at the bottom, and this will allow you to choose the bank account as the source of that payment. It is going to be linked under your payment methods, and you can change or remove it at any time. Just tap on it here to see more details, and if you want to add new ones, repeat the process by adding new banks or cards. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Venmo to bank account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.